Process management in the application. We've already covered processes in another video when adding new options. But now let's explore this module in more detail. Starting a process. In the sidebar menu, click on Processes. Choose one of the buckets and click on Start Process. Select the desired options. Click on Start Process. Now, the bucket moves from free to filled, which represents the phase where substrate and additives are added, preparing it for inoculation. If you have 20 free buckets, starting a process will leave you with 19 free and 1 in the filled stage. Inoculation. After filling the bucket with substrate and additives, click on Inoculate. Choose the mushroom species to be added to the substrate. You can add the seed reference provided by your supplier. Observations if needed. Click on Confirm Inoculation. Now, the bucket moves to the next stage and is ready to be placed in the incubation chamber. Moving to the incubation chamber. Click on Move to Incubation. Choose the incubation chamber where the bucket will go. Currently, only one chamber is registered. Depending on your subscription plan, you can register more chambers. Now, the bucket is in the incubation room, waiting for the mycelium to spread through the substrate. When it's ready, you can move it to the fruiting room.